So I'll be showing you how you can hide your caller ID on your iPhone. For this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these instructions should work on pretty much any iPhone. So what you need to do is go into settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to phone, tap on that. Under phone, go to the call section and find show my caller ID, tap on that. Now, since I have a dual SIM iPhone, it's going to give me the option to choose for each of the SIM cards. So I have the primary SIM card and also have the secondary SIM card. So let me do this for just the primary SIM card. Tap on that. And now it shows show my caller ID. And you can see this button is turned on. That basically means my caller ID is showing. So to turn it off, I'll simply tap on that toggle button to switch that off. And now with show my caller ID turned off, it means my caller ID will not show when I make phone calls. So this is what it's going to look like when you make a phone call. So let me just try and call this contact. Let's call my office phone. Let's try that again. Make a phone call. And as you can see, the number has been concealed and it only says private number to the person you're calling. And that's basically how to hide your caller ID on the iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.